girl. What's up? Me? I'm doing some last-minute shopping lang for our beach trip. You ba? Are you done na packing? What else are you doing this summer? Ah, you enrolled Frankie in Mandarin classes? Yeah, I know. Harper super needs help nga in Mandarin, but we have our Cebu trip this summer so I can't schedule her extra classes. Wait, what? Frankie can take classes while you're in Boracay? All online? Send me the link, please. I'll check it out. Okay. Harper! Harper! Your class is starting in 5 minutes. Get ready!